Hey everybody, my name's NEENA and I'm going to show you what is so great. Oops. I'll show you what's so great about Bella Bronzer in a minute. Maybe. Okay, so I am wearing Ever Red. I have on Ever Red lip color and cheek color today, and I'm going to show you how to use Bella Bronzer and an Illuminator together on your face. Okay, so my face is already made up. This was my today look. I just put on some more cheek color and put my lip color back on. So if you do not have your B squared brush, this is the brush that you need. You can get this in a bundle with the Bella Bronzer, and that's the best way to get this brush. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to wear Bella Bronzer, and the way I like to do it is with the Illuminator. So I take the small end of the brush and I just dip it into both the bronzer and the Illuminator, and I just kind of put it on my cheekbone like that. So what this is going to do is going to put a little bit of a glow on your cheek, kind of tones down the bronzer, and the Illuminator gives you some glow. Okay, so don't worry about what it looks like just yet, because we're going to blend this out. And then I'm going to put some down here, right there. And then I'm just going to kind of buff it out. So see, that's how I wear my Bella Bronzer. Gives your face a little bit of a sun-kissed glow, and you can wear it with an Illuminator and gives it kind of a little shine. Now, what I also like to do is after I've done that, I like to take my perfume, because the perfume is actually the same color as Rose Gold Illuminator. And I like to take just a little bit of the perfume and put it here and kind of down my nose and like right up here. And maybe a little bit right there. And then, of course, I'll just dab it here and put some on my wrist. It's the perfume, same color as Rose Gold. So if you do not have Bella Bronzer, you need Bella Bronzer, and the best way to get it, like I said, is to get it with this brush. Comes in a bundle. Best way to get it, and you just put it on and buff it, and makes you look like you've been to the beach all winter long. So there's that. And if you have any questions about Bella Bronzer, let me know. And I'm wearing Ever Red. That will come out on November 1st. I'm wearing this from last year because it was one of my favorites from last year. It's basically the same color as saffron, only it's glossy, and I really like it. So there's that. And let's see, I can't see. Let's see how I look with my glasses on. Oh, hey Jerry, how you doing? So, no, I didn't do too bad, even though I couldn't see. Hey Jerry. So if you have any questions, let me know, and drop a comment, share the video, and we'll see you later.